Whether or not you choose to panic sell your crypto on deep red, scary sell-offs, of which there will be many more in the coming months, this is the only chart that matters to early stage investors. And it is showing the adoption of revolutionary technologies as a percentage of the population. Bitcoin, crypto at 10 to 20%. What if you could invest in internet companies at 10 to 20% adoption? What if you could invest in car companies at 20% adoption? Well, you would catch this life-changing wave when vertical exponential adoption happens. Why do most people not catch that wave? Because the volatility, the scary sell-offs are way too much, and it requires to rein in your emotions, to have a high pain tolerance, and a long-term vision. And so that is the whole purpose of this channel, to find the highest quality assets, preferably selling off on deep red discount. And so the reason crypto can qualify as one of these assets is because it has this vertical uptrend. Now, a lot of people are getting all excited, late stage investing into Apple, Google, Amazon, right up here when they could have been buying those assets down here. And so let's dive through the news on some of these revolutionary assets and see which ones are the highest quality. First one up, let's talk about Hbar hash graph. There's this chart circulating showing the inflationary schedule of Hbar, saying all the supply is going to be brought online. So there's 50 billion total Hbar tokens. This is 2018, the start. And so what's going to happen is 100% of the Hbar supply is going to be released after 15 years. And so most people are saying, they look at these charts, a lot of assets have the same schedule, and they're saying, well, if all that supply is going to come online, how can we buy it now? The reality is, you know another asset that had massive inflation when it started off right here, and there was all this supply coming online? Bitcoin at $1. If you bought Bitcoin at $1, you could have looked ahead and said, oh, 21 million coins are coming online. I'm not going to buy it because it's just going to flood the market. So don't think about supply like that. Think about demand. That's all that matters. And obviously, we're seeing massive upside. Here are some statistics on the Hbar hash graph network. 1,059,000 transactions per day. 1,047,000 accounts. 5 seconds to finality. Very fast. 651 API calls per Hbar token. Very exciting. We'll stay on top of the data for you guys. Just keep bringing it to you so you can stay informed. Here's an update on some of the most held meme coins. The size of the network absolutely matters. And so Babydoge, 1.6 million holders. Then Wall Street Games, surprisingly, 1.4 million. You have all these other meme coins, which we don't talk about. We talk about Floki, which is seeing some big adoption, 356K. But good to stay on top of the total network growth on a lot of these different assets, especially when a lot of them are doing exciting things like Babydoge. We know they're launching a swap. Well, just today, another project has decided to sponsor a farm for when Babydoge Swap goes live. Already have 3 sponsors for farms on board. So iMove, which is a move to earn asset, is partnering up with Babydoge. That's 3 in about a week. And so we just have to stay on top of this. You don't want to just laugh at meme coins, especially when they're building out revolutionary use cases. And so we will stay on top of this early stage market.